Hi, welcome to Crushing Experiment channel, the channel where car wheel running over stuff. So press like and write in comments what you want to see to crush on the next video. So let's see what happens to things after my car wheel running over them. Here I decided to see what happens to the laptop if you drive a car wheel over it. Let's see what happened with the laptop. Then I decided to see what happens to the radio after I crush it with a car wheel. So let's see what will happen to the melon. The car will smash at the melon. And from a different angle. Here, car wheel running through the pumpkin. And from different angle. Here car wheel running through the three painted watermelons. Car wheel smashing watermelon. Here car wheel running through the big water balloon filled with Orbis. Another one watermelon crushing. Press like and subscribe for the channel if you don't want to miss my new videos. Then you will see a crushing, crunchy and salting by car compilation. In this compilation you will see how car will crush Orbis, slime, lighters, toys, water balloons and many crunchy and soft things. If you like my videos, press like and subscribe for the channel. Car wheel running through the toys. This is the best crushing, crunchy and soft things by car compilation video. In this video we will run over stuff with car wheel. And we'll do running over stuff with cars such as sharp knives, Coca-Cola, Pepsi, watermelon, slime, squishy, jelly, floral foam, toys, cars, trucks, water balloons, rainbow slimes, colored toys. Press like and subscribe for the channel if you don't want to miss my new videos. So here your car wheel running through the eggs. Here car wheel running through water balloons. This is the best crushing, crunchy and soft things by car compilation video. In this video we will run over stuff with car wheel. Thank you for watching. If you don't want to miss my new videos, subscribe for the channel.